awaits you here in Katy, Texas. Just minutes from the Grand Parkway in Ellison sits 23002 Needlegrass Rd. Come on in, let's take a tour. This gorgeous prairie home was built in 2021 and features 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. As you walk through the entry, you will pass 2 secondary bedrooms and a bathroom on the left, and another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom on the right. You'll love entertaining guests in the open concept kitchen, dining, and living spaces with wide plank hardwood-like floors throughout. The kitchen features quartz counters with herringbone backsplash and stainless steel appliances. The spacious primary bedroom has tall ceilings and a barn door leading to the primary bath, which features dual sinks, a garden tub, and a frameless shower. The large primary closet conveniently connects to the utility room. You don't want to miss this oversized backyard, which includes a covered patio that is ideal for spending time with your friends or family, or perfect for your future pool. 23002 Needlegrass Rd will be a quick drive to the new Ellison Town Center. Call us today so we can show you why this is the perfect place to call home.